Thank you. So, ayun sila guys. Nasa Potato Head Beach na kami. Hindi ba ako may pila?
I thought it is not because of my skin color.
No.
It's like the color.
Visible, invisible.
Yeah, it's visible.
When I go here, I yeah. Take a breakfast here. Yeah. No line. No line, no ticket, no invisible stamp. Girl, the exit. Follow me, follow the leader. Follow the leader, guys.
Yeah, you're better. I will do the Google Maps.
Yes, thank you. Okay. Yes, welcome.
Thank you. So nakapasok na kami sa entrance. Susundan nila ako kasi nakapunta na ako dito eh. Sila hindi pa eh. Dito na kami. Dalawang friend. Manginginom. Drinking buddies.
Drinking buddy.
Drinking buddies.
Hindi ka?
Huh?
Hindi ka ba-drink?
I don't know. I don't know if food or drinks. Pinuntahan namin talaga yan, no? Sunsets. We gonna buy bintang on the market for you.
Okay.
K-Circle or market? So we're good na. Tapos na kami mag-inom at mag-food trip. So, magbubok na ulit kami ng Gojek pauwi ng hotel. Noon, dilim. Hindi ako makita. Basta yun. Good morning. So today, pupunta tayo ng Mount Batur. It's already 1 a.m. in the morning. And kumuha ko ng bread dun sa ref. Since di naman ako makakapag-breakfast dito sa hotel. And nagpatulong ako magpa-bread. Toast. Hi, good morning. Ito yung jam ko. And then, may mizuwan ako na buko. Waiting na lang ako dito. Tsaka sa driver. To pick me up here in Gelatic Breakfast in Bed. Oh, it's done. So we're here. This is the jump off. Trekking is starting.
Sorry? Oh.
So this is the jump off.
Sorry?
This is the jump off.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so.
Yeah. Sounds of nature. Sinagot ako ng 50,000 rupiah ng jacket na to. Buti may nagpaparent. Kasi kung hindi, hindi ko na alam. Naiwan ko kasi yung jacket ko sa hotel. And, sobrang lamig dito, guys. Jump off pa lang, sa sasakyan pa lang, dun pa lang sa nag-coffee kami. Grabe. So, kahit magkano tong rent ng jacket na to, pinush ko na. Itong tatlong to kasama ko yan. Si Brian, puro Singaporean sila. So, update lang. First up. water break. First water break. Medyo hinihingal na ako. Grabe, para sa mariglim lang. Pero, it's a good experience. Ito yung jacket ko, kulay violet sa ako. Kung walang nagpaparent ng jacket, ewan ko na lang. Mahina pa naman ako sa lamig. Oy, continue na kami. Bye.
Ada mula ni hari. All good?
First time. First.
Small erosion. From here? Ah, okay. But just small. Yeah?
Is this thing here?
Gigi band lagi. Kembali ni. What's still? Apa itu? Apa ini?
Okay.
Coba aja nah. Nggak apa-apa, aman.
More close.
More close.
More close.
No have snake.
Whoa, it is warm.
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow.
I don't know what I was expecting, but it was warm.
Oh, clearing.
Wow, look at how orange that is.
Let's go. More 20 minutes. 20 minutes or 3 minutes?
Around 7 lah.
7. Okay. Let's go, Adam. I made it. I made it.
You made it a little bit late.
Thank you.
Sila atur ke? Ugal beli ni bang, ugal mau lu.
I made it.
You udah.
Dan siapa nama Fajrin jangan aku jalan nggak apa aku bagusan pakai apa nggak tahu.
Sobrang lamig dito. Mas maganda pa rin yung mga bundok sa Pilipinas na inaakyat ko. Kaso ang hirap na ito. Pero ano kasi ito yung hinahanap ko lagi sa bundok, yung mga green eh. Ito kasi black lava siya. So expected na black talaga siya. Tapos din, ayun yung city. Pahinga muna kami. Yung tour guide namin kasi is gumagawa ng breakfast namin. Kasama kasi yun, included yun sa package na kinuha ko. So, thankful ako dito sa jacket na to. Pero 50,000 rupiyan to. Naiwan ko kasi yung jacket ko eh. Dahil kung walang nagpaparent ng jacket, patay na siguro ang ate nyo. I made it. Sila yung mga kasama ko. Si Adam, tapos yung dalawang Singaporean. Pero di ko sila kilala. I made it. Para siyang Mariglim, pero mas mahirap to sa Mariglim. Cloudy, wala pa masyadong clearing. Shout out to Kimpoy Adventure. Walang clearing, be. Hindi ka kasi sumama eh. Tuloy clearing.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh,
It's cloudy. We're going down. Oh. Slippery sand. Not slippery wet. It's hard. It's hard. Yeah. Let's go.
Go, go, go.
We're gonna go down in another way.
Yeah, another way.
Okay.
Right there, already 10 minutes.
Okay.
Very easy like
Okay. Oh. It's very slippery.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Let's go. Yeah.
This is more beautiful. This is the last.
It's very cloudy.
Yeah, already coming.
Yes. I think the sun is 10 minutes.
The sun, I think, will be enough.
Oh no.
You take a video, yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe you want to send to family
Yeah.
or boyfriend.
I don't have boyfriend.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You are joking.
We broke up.
Right over there.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay. Grabe, yung sipag nung ano namin, B. Sipag nung tour guide namin. Ni isa-isa niya kaming tinutulungan. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video kanina dahil gabi. Ayun, medyo may araw na. So, makaka-take tayo ng video. Tama na muna yung mukha ko. Yung ano muna tayo. Itong paligid at ang nature. Ito yung daan. Grabe yung daan. Pero mas madali ito. Kasi kanina, sobrang hirap. Kasi ano, sand siya, tapos mga bato. Lava kasi ito, black lava. So, ang hirap. So, diyan kami dadaan. Cloudy pa siya. Going down is easiest than going up. No, ano? Hi. Thank you. Oh. Trekking solo?
Huh?
Do you have?
No, not running. The water fall from the tree.
What do you call that tree? What do you call that tree?
I don't know. I mean, in English, man. This in Bali, chamara.
Chamara.
Yeah, chamara.
In Bali, they call that chamara.
Chamara. In your country, what?
I don't know. What's that?
It's a special to eat the cow. The animal, the big animal like the cow.
Okay. I think 15 more minutes. Nasa baba na kami. Nag-waiting din yung service namin. Oh. There's a lot of people going down.
We're waiting them.
5 minutes more. Nasa forest kami dumaan. 5 minutes na lang. Let's go. Tour guide namin. Mabait siya. Dito na kami sa baba. Picture muna kami sa lake. Ayun yung service namin.
You want to mix? Go. Sure. No problem. You want to? Go ahead.
Alright, change clothes.
No, I just went to the toilet. I just wore my extra shirt.
We're going to Coffee Plantation first.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Before we drop in our hotel.
Oh, I didn't know there was a coffee plantation.
The boss said,
Because I also came across, I thought I read it.
Oh, I thought I picked the no add-on too. I thought.
No, the
10 minutes.
Other things, like
Oh.
hot spring, etc.
Right.
alright, let's go. It's nice.
Oh, you've been.
I'm alone here.
Oh,
I'm
the
gonna
best.
sleep.
More space, yeah.
Because after that, it will be a long journey back.
Yeah.
Coffee tree. This is the have like coffee bean from the tree. So we grow Arabica coffee, also we grow Robusta.
Arabica and
Arabica and Robusta. This is small Arabica.
this Arabica.
Small Arabica.
This Robusta.
Robusta.
It's like bigger.
Yeah.
The tree Robusta, small tree Arabica.
Okay.
This is the plant of the mangosteen. You know about this fruit, the mangosteen fruit.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
This is curcuma.
Kurkuma is what?
Curcuma, this is currently up the turmeric.
Oh, 2 minutes.
Yeah, they have a root in the ground.
Yes.
They use this also for herbal tea.
Mm-hmm.
And use for the cooking.
Salad tree.
Salad.
This is the fruit we have that we calling snake skin fruit.
Oh, yeah. Salad is a...
This is the coffee bean. So you put it tree.
The fruits.
Yeah, the fruit, the red coffee bean. This is big coffee, yeah.
This one can pluck already, right? Red color.
This is the red color. They're ready to run. This is our spices.
Oh.
This is Bali coffee. Bali coffee is after we dry. For the
Without
bean,
roast yet.
yeah, without roasting, yeah. Yeah, this is mixed together, Arabica and Robusta.
Oh.
This is pepper. This is cloves. They have aromatic ginger, turmeric.
Yeah.
Also like banana, papaya, guava, the weeks. And after weeks, we can keep animal renew.
The lavender. Oh, vanilla.
Spices we can show you before. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is a skin of the mangosteen. You know about this fruit, the mangosteen fruit?
Yeah.
This is we do for the tea, yeah. We make it like a herbal tea. Like that, yeah.
Coffee from animal.
Yeah, when they come out, look like that. This is coffee before we wash. This is coffee after we wash. Yeah, we wash many times by hot water and then we have to dry. We dry by sun because inside. Yeah, so we have to make it a roasting the coffee bean for 1 kilo around 35 minutes until to black color, yeah, until we have the good aroma.
Hold it for me. Can you hold it for me?
35 minutes.
So after we run it, so we need to sitting like that, we get a fine
Yes.
this coffee.
Yeah, 1 kilo 1 hour. We have more longer process. Yeah, we roasting around 35 minutes.
But until powder.
Yeah,
Oh.
run it. And after they have the instant, just take it 1 spoon powder and hot water. You can stir, and then you wait.
Swing toilet?
Yeah. 哎，你睡一半，你要
All we get pre-testing, complimentary.
Okay.
Luwak coffee. This is a special order. Later, if you're interesting to try, we have a price 55,000 rupiah for a cup. Yeah.
Okay.
This is rosella tea. This is tea good for blood circulation. This is tea from the ginger, good for stomach problem and sore throat. Avocado coffee. That's tea from the red rice tea,
Yeah.
good for bones, calcium. This is lemongrass tea, good for diet, for slim body. Bali coffee, no sugar. They have tea from the mangosteen tea, good for cholesterol, diabetes, anti-cancer. This is saffron and mixed from the curcuma. Yeah, this is tea good for immune system.
Okay.
Coffee with vanilla. This is coffee mocha, Bali coffee and chocolate. Coconut coffee, coffee mixed from the coconut milk. Ginseng coffee for stamina.
Ginseng.
The last one, this is chocolate. Okay, please enjoy your drink. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
所以一人选
You start from
Yeah,
The
I will try
avocado.
the coconut one, I guess.
Coconut coffee?
Yeah.
你不打算买不用拍。
连它都倒出来了，不喝也浪费。
How is it?
Yeah.
There's a shop later. You can buy a packet.
Okay.
Actually, we work here.
Yeah, he gets commission.
I have a share here. I'm a shareholder here.
Yuda.
Why is this tail like that? Sing it. Right? Yeah, they're cute. Eh? They're like red raccoons.
So, ito yung bilihan after ng coffee planting. Good evening, you all. So, pagkatapos kong mag-hike, nakarating ako dito sa hotel ng 1 a.m. and nakatulog ako. So, kahagising ko lang 7. Natamad ako lumabas, dapat mag-dinner out ako. Wala rin akong kasama, may mga iba rin silang activity. Yung si Bisaya friend, nasa Nusa Pineda, si Fleur, na surfing sa Uluwatu. So, umorder na lang ako sa McDo. Sa Grab ng McDo. Tapos, guys, pag pick up ko kanina sa lobby ng hotel, look, tingnan mo, oh. Paper bag yung, hindi paper bag yung ano nila. Hindi paper bag. Grabe. Hindi nila tinipid yung lagayan. So, check natin kung ano yung mga laman. Usual cock float. Cock float sa Indo. Cock float. And then, sa atin, pag nag-grab ka, nakaganto lang. Naka-paper bag na ganito. Chicken ata to. Let me check. Oh. Large fries. Choco pie. Rice. And spaghetti chicken. Baba. Wala na. Then, itong lagay na to. So, that's all. Kain muna ako ng dinner. Tapos yung after neto, inantay ko si Bisaya galing nung sa Pineda. Pinabili ko siya ng alak. So, mag-chill muna kami dyan sa pool bago matulog. Kasi bukas, alis na niya bukas eh. Di naman siya pauwi ng Pinas. Pero, lipat siya ng ibang hotel sa Ubud. Chill kami dyan later. Chill kami dyan later sa pool mamaya. Tapos kung kumain, pagdating na. Yun lang. That's for today. Bye.